So today I'm learning how to make a cake with my little brother. I think it's a lemon sponge cake. So we're gonna run downstairs and see how this is done. He's already started prepping, so I'm gonna go down and help him. So let's see. I'm gonna get involved. I'm gonna do the eggs. I have to wash my hands, obviously.
So this right here is the butter. So it's 175 grams of butter and some sugar as well. It's 175 grams of sugar as well.
Okay, break the egg, just like that. 2, make sure you don't get no shell in there. Very important. Last but not least. Perfect.
We're gonna add just a single pinch of salt there.
See this? This is perfectly whisked. Little pinch of salt, is that enough?
Yeah.
Pinch of salt, boom. Boom. Just like that. And that's it. There you have it, guys. That's how you make a cake.
Well, it's not done. We've got a little while to go, but
we've got some things to do. So stay tuned.
So this here is a cup of flour. So there's 250 grams in there. I'm gonna add it to the mix with some beaten eggs. There's 3 eggs there. And the mix already contains butter and sugar together. It's 175 grams of each, essentially. And what we're gonna do now is gonna add a little bit of the egg and then a little bit of the flour, just alternating. So this here is our little sieve.
Look at that. Look at that.
Hold on, this actually looks good. There we go.
This is already in there.
That's just gonna go.
Are you measuring this?
Oh, well, it's just 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon. Oh.
I added just a bit at a time there. Oh, it's reacting, hold up. Oh, that's, okay. Well, it's some kind of acid in alkaline.
Perfect. So what's happening here, mate?
So here I'm just putting the thing into I'm putting the batter into cake tin.
Why?
I'm gonna bake it for, why?
Yeah, talk to us, man.
Alright, so I'm gonna bake it for an hour 15 actually. It's better to go for like the longer bake time, so long as it's not gonna burn. And yeah, we're gonna bake it at 160 degrees. And yeah, when it's done, basically we started now, even though we might eat it a lot later, we need it to cool down and then we can put some icing on top of it. So I'm just gonna get the last of this out and then we can start baking it. And then we just chill for an hour basically. Okay. So dry ingredients like flour, if you put in salt or sugar, all of those things are dry. Wet ingredient is like butter. So you put that kind of separate. And that's basically it. That's the process of preparing the cake. We'll put up the recipe soon. It's just coming out of a book.
A few moments later.
There you have it. We are about to do the icing. Talk us through this situation.
So this is just some icing sugar, which we will mix with our lemon juice, what's left over. And we're gonna drizzle it over the cake.
Look at that.
Cut a few slices first.
So how do you think this piece came out?
It came out completely fine. It came out really well.
Yeah? Anything you would have done differently?
I think, yeah, maybe it's just making the drizzle more like an icing rather than a drizzle as it is.